shrine. We're kneeling for a signal, waiting for a sign from a man in a suit. Is the crowd made of glass? Counting up his followers while the moments pass. They do the circle thrown on a foundation of sand, trading true sovereignty for a mandate in their hand. But the breath in their nostrils is a flickering light, shadow puppets dancing in the middle of the night. The field is hungry, the fright is frayed. We're tired of the games that the idols played. Tear the crowds down, burn the stage down. No more kings, only one throne. No more right idols, just God alone. No more kings, only one throne. No more right idols, just God alone. The mainframe lost a ruler they can easily break, a hollowed out puppet for the narrative's sake. They promise you safety, they promise you gold, but they're selling your soul for the data they sold. Isaiah warned of the man who is only a breath. Why hold him in esteem when he's walking toward death? The blue chipmunk is a brand, not a blessing from high. We're deleting the code and we're saying goodbye. Oh, more days, only one throne. All right, idols, just God alone. Oh, more days, only one throne. All right, idols, just God alone. Just God alone. Check the steps, check the pose, check the lies. Look into the pixels of their artificial lies. They wanna be a pagan, they wanna be a priest, but the hunger of the ego is a never-ending pace. Stop trusting in the flesh, trusting in the wire. Every paper crown is fueling the fire. Silence is deep, a world finally awakened from a century of sleep. No more mandates, no more vanity's way. We've exited the system, we've unsealed the gate. Our redemption is written in the blood, not the body.